Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajarashmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this video, I'm going to explain about digital banking and internet banking. So, is it any difference between digital banking and internet banking? Not much, but in technically in term, the digital banking and the online banking are the sometimes mistakenly for the some things. While both terms have some similarities, such as tools and services that may help streamlines managing your money, and technically they are different from one to another. So let us have a look on digital banking and online. So let us see first online banking means using the internet to your banking. Your bank's online banking tools may be available on your phone, computer, laptop, or tablet. Online banking makes most standard banking services available through your bank operating websites. Imagine waking up in the middle of the night. So, remembering the forgot to pay the bill with the online banking, you can log on and you can pay the bill right way. So, without waiting for the bank to open, the same goes for checking your balances and making a transfer. So, many things. So, what is the digital banking? So, what does digital banking mean? Think if it is an online banking but taken to the next level. It incorporates all the features of the online banking, such as checking account balances, transferring money, and integrated even more tools and services. So digital banking is an advanced financial solution that uses the technology to provided a complete set of services going behind the basic features of checking your account balances or transferring funds. Digital banking covers the services which may included in online banking, mobile banking, virtual assistants, and more. Means the digital banking incorporates the both online mobile banking, as these forms of the banking are the important part of the digital banking system. So, the key differences between digital and online banking. Online banking and the digital banking may be a similar in making the banking services more convenience to you, but you might find the difference in the range of services and the type of products they offer, like accessibility. So online banking has a significantly expanded the access to the bank services for many people, like scope of the digital banking services. The next, available products. The products that you can typically access through online banking mirror those available at the physical bank branches. Banking basic, like checking accounts, saving accounts, and loans. On the other hand, digital banking takes the many of these basic banking services and leverage recent advancements through the technologies. Security. So both online and digital banking platform takes security seriously, implementing various measures protect your personal and financial informations. Online banking typically uses the secure encryption and its protocols, two-factor authentications, and other security measures will be helps to keep your transactions and account safe. The digital banking platform may incorporate even more advanced security features such as biometrics and behavior, and based on the artificial intelligence, and these are all possible with the digital banking. So, understanding the difference between digital banking and online banking, it may helps to get the most out these, and will be useful tools. Both aims to offer improve the convenience of the customers. So, online banking covers core banking needs over internet, and digital banking expands these scopes with a wide range of the features. So apart from this, So we can see the digital banking with online banking and the traditional banking system. So what is the traditional banking system? Before we used to go directly, we visit the bank and we'll have the interaction with the bank manager and we'll fill the slip for check deposits or the collection of cash. So now it has all changed. Now from our place we can do all the transactions and all the works are made very easy. It's a time saving, security, and we are so modernized, and within the fractions of time all the jobs are to be done. So this is the differentiation between the digital banking versus online banking and traditional banking. Thank you.